I don't know, guys. I just feel like the soft life is loading. Like the softest life is loading.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
Just did a Shein haul. Huge, by the way. Maybe I should check it out. So I'm putting those to the side because I do have a package. It's not a mess. It's just the things that I bought. I just pushed them to the side. So this is a package I got from Shop Missa. I'm not sure what I was sent. I think it's a skincare brand. Skincare? Yes, it is skincare. Oh my god. So we're gonna see what I got from Shop Missa. This is facial roller. It's empty. But I think there's a, and it smells so good. Here it is. So it's a jade roller. That's so cute. I always wanted one, but I just didn't think to buy it. You know those things where you see online and you're like, you'd rather somebody buy it for you? That's what it is. And this is invisible acne patch. Guys, it absorbs impurities, protects. This smells so good. Like this whole thing smells so good. I was right. It is a skincare brand. And there is a scrub. I had one of these, but before I knew it was hype, or before it got hype, I had one and I threw it away. And then I was like, oh, that's what it's a cleansing pad, so you can put your cleanser on here and scrub. My skin is doing really good right now, actually. This is a mask brush, so whatever mask you do have, you can just use this to apply it on there. It's silicone. I'm trying to open it. You guys know what a mask brush looks like, but I just want to feel it because I've never had one before. Oh, yeah, so it's a silicone mask brush. You just apply this stuff on. So good. What else? Facial washcloth. And it's microfiber, which if you're going to use a cloth on your face, that's the best one to use. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. So yeah, I could use this to dry my face because if you don't want to air dry, it's best to use microfiber as well. So this was a microfiber washcloth, and then this is hyaluronic acid plus tamanu oil. I'm trying to see. It's a jelly sheet. So the hyaluronic, it feels so good. Hyaluronic acid and jelly. It's a jelly mask. It delivers intense hydration and smooth the skin. So yeah, this is bright eyes. Oh, it's a eye massaging wand. Guys, I've never had any of these before. It's the stuff that you see but never buy. Thank you, Shop Missa, for this. Basically, I don't know, guys. I just feel like the soft life is loading. Like the softest life is loading currently. So this is for like under your eye. You can use it to massage your eye serum. Yes. This looks like a lip balm or a lip mask. It is a lip mask, I was right. I think most of this stuff is from AOA Studio. So this is a jelly jam lip mask. I wonder how it smells. I could bet it smells good because it's pink. Obviously. It's gonna smell amazing. What flavor is it? Strawberry. I could tell you that. I was thinking strawberry or watermelon. I'm so horrible at this, but yeah. And I do have darker lips. smells like, it's not coming to me right now, but it smells so good. It's a lip mask. So that's there. This is a skincare scoop. So instead of like put your finger in your skincare, this is more sanitary. So you use a skincare, yes. This spatula prevents germs from going into your skincare. Oh my god, I'm awful because I keep touching my face, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. This is pink plus kaolin clay. So it unclogs pores and absorbs oil, which is perfect because I have oily skin. So this is pink kaolin clay. Pink clay, it cleanses and detoxifies the skin, removes the dead skin cells without causing inflammation, and prevents breakouts before they begin. Perfect. Definitely need that. This is collagen. It's a hydrating serum. It hydrates and smooths the skin. So this is Phyto Collagen Complex. So after cleansing, you apply the toner, take a few drops of the collagen serum and press into face and neck, and then you follow with moisturizer. So this looks like a sample, but it's better than nothing. And this is the biggest thing that was in there. AOA skin. Oh, this is a green tea and vitamin E cleansing balm. Again, I have oily skin, so I use the spatula. That's what the spatula is for. So I use the spatula to, bro, I lost it. It's here somewhere. Yeah. So I'd use this to scoop this, massage it over dry skin, add a splash of water to emulsify into a creamy, milky texture, massage, and then I could rinse. So it's for double cleansing. So after I do this, I can follow up with a gel or a foam cleanser. But guys, so yeah, that's basically it. I think this, it says it was sent by Miss A. So I think it's a collaboration, but most of the products is by AOA Skin. So AOA Skin, thank you for the awesome skincare products. I'll definitely be taking advantage of these. Face mask, lip balm. Bro, I got a full skin like detox. And there's a roller for after I use my sheet mask. There's a mask brush for applying my pink clay bright eyes for my serums. It's a lot of things. It's a lot of goodies. Very grateful. So yeah, I will be doing a lot more unboxing from brands. I'm looking into PR. So yeah, if you have something and you want me to promote it, just hit me in my inbox. But yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing. Thanks again to Shop Missa and AOA for the awesome products. You guys can check it out. Okay, so that's it. Bye.
Don't you think like that?